Fimi X8 Mini, first flight. What went right and what went wrong? Got that next. Bill the Drone Reviewer here. If you like the content of this video or anything on my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any future content. With that, let's begin. Well, it was my turn to have my first flight with my Fimi X8 Mini. So without any further ado, let's roll that clip in its entirety.
Okay, we are recording. This is the first flight of the Fimi Mini here. And I'm kind of having to do this from the icon or from my car because it's really hard to see. We're having one of those sunny days here. So far so good. We're up about 50 feet. Take it about 75 there. We're going to head out. I can see from the screen already, I'm not sure about the horizon. It does look a little tilted. Okay, let's go ahead and we're going to turn it around here. Okay, we're here. Where that car goes, and then we're going to go ahead and rise up in altitude here a little bit. Head on out. Okay, we are going to try a return to home here. Let's see how that works. So far, so good. All right, we stuck the precision landing there. That was very, very good to see. Okay, I have to turn the drone off before I do a remote control calibration. So we're going to go ahead and do that before we take it out for a second flight. Just waiting for it to get into GPS mode. There we go. It's ready to go. GPS. Okay, we are off to the races here. We'll take another flight. We have done a remote control calibration. Let's take a look and see if that has made a difference here. All right, about 80, 90 feet. I think this is good. All right, that was interesting. As soon as I get up there, it's like I think that was a gimbal shift. I don't think that was a... Let's go ahead. No, even after that... Adjust it just a little bit. Let's see how straight we go here. Okay. Horizon actually looks pretty decent here. But again, this is looking at it from the screen, so we'll see how the actual video turns out. Trying to kind of target my car here. Yeah, the one thing I'm noticing here is it's not sticking to the path here. It's not sticking to the course. It does deviate significantly, in my opinion. Now it seems to be holding okay. And again, is that the function of the drone itself or wind? I don't know. I don't know. So we'll find out. We're going to take it down just a little bit here. Yeah, it's deviating from course here. We're going to go do a return to home here. Just a pitch of the gimbal. And it looks like we're spot on target here. I think we're gonna stick it. Yep, we did. All right. 2 for 2 on the precision landing here. All right, we're going to get it up for another flight here. Start recording. Let's get it up to altitude. About 90 feet. Auto takeoff is completed. Again, it does deviate off of course here. And I have calibrated the joysticks, so all right, let's turn it around, take a look and see what we got. I'm gonna try to go slow with this. Okay, let's see. I kind of overcompensated here, so let's see how the path ends up. It seemed to help a little bit, but it still deviates quite a bit. Yeah, it is deviating quite a bit there, so. All right, we're doing a return to home here. Okay, let's take a look and see how this landing goes here. I'm going to adjust the gimbal so we don't have any gimbal issues, camera issues when it lands. Okay.
As you can see, what went right was I didn't have any signal loss during my entire video. And also, precision landing worked very well. Now, for what went wrong, well, you could see that I constantly had to have my hand on the stick, otherwise the drone would veer in one direction or another. Now, I did go ahead and calibrate the remote control, but that did not make any difference whatsoever. Question of the day. What did you think of my first flight with a Fimi X8 Mini? Let me know in the comments section below. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.